Man in blue, from navy blue to sky blue. Man in blue saying, he says that females are 9 times stronger than male. This is the capability which they are born with. Gender. I am talking about importance of gender. The females are born 9 times stronger than a male child. You know that what I am saying. Compared to male child, females are 9 times stronger. What does it mean? It means that the seed capital which they are born with, it will be different for all. Seed capital will be different for all. But minimum I am talking about bottom line. That their seed capital gives them strength more than the male child gets. And this is a law of nature. So we can't, do anything about it. The law of nature, of course, what we can do is we can start cultivating it in wrong direction and made her fall below even ours. And this has happened over a period of time. Mahabharat Kal, you can see, everybody says that Draupadi was responsible for the Mahabharata. Do you think Draupadi was responsible for that Mahabharata? And Kunti was responsible for making Draupadi's character fall. Was it fallen? Imagine that during Mahabharata itself, Gandhari, you take an example. She was so strong, 100 child she delivered. So, mentally, the mental seed capital, the female is 9 times stronger. It was 9 times stronger, confirmed by Mahabharata. But post Mahabharata, if you look at it, what is happening? Today, you look at why they are fighting for women empowerment. They are empowered so much. Because their seed capital was developed in wrong direction. I have just taken a reference from Mahabharata that the female strength was what at that time. Why that strength can't come now? Jealousy in Duryodhan was cultivated by Shakuni. We are not putting Shakuni as behind the bars. We are calling Draupadi as made. She can be called as triggered. She triggered Mahabharata. Imagine that means female was so strong that she could create the trigger. Try to understand the strength. The female gender has to understand that they were misguided and their seed capital has to be corrected. No delay. It's not late at all. Not at all. Whatever you have been doing, whatever you did, today is the time. Come back. Understand your seed capital. Start thinking that it's a miracle. We are able to change your characteristics of the date of birth. Yesterday itself I was talking to a female. She called me up for some consultation. I told her that your date of birth has given you, whatever has given you, you are suffering from that. And why don't you change your date of birth? She said, how can I change my date of birth? I said, it is so simple. It is so easy. But it is expensive. It is costly. In today's respect, maybe it becomes free after maybe 2000 years, 5000 years. I don't say. I can't foresee. I'm not interested in foreseeing that far. Why should I? What for? But today it is costly. But it is possible. You can change the sufferings given by your existing date of birth to a new date of birth which can reduce your sufferings. Man in blue can guarantee that.